You know, Midnight Noodles is everything I love about the cooking of Sichuan. Tons of contrast, compact, and simple. Once in a while when I'm cooking with someone, I find something so useful that it becomes part of my repertoire. I was in London a couple times with Fuchsia Dunlop, who wrote The Food of Sichuan, one of the great cookbooks of all time. And she has a recipe called Midnight Noodles. There's lots of classic combinations in Chinese and Japanese cooking. So rice wine vinegar, toasted sesame oil, soy sauce, and some kind of sugar is a classic. That's just a good base. So that's the sauce. Oil, some sesame seeds, and a few pepper flakes. Meanwhile, let's get the pasta going. Udon, and this cooks in about 4 minutes, so we'll have to watch it. Meanwhile, we're infusing the oil and we're toasting the sesame seeds to bring out their flavor. It's like popcorn. Okay, turn off the heat. Add the white part of the scallions. Now that smells good. Ah, Milk Street Spa. Put that in with the sauce. Just about there. I swear this is an 8-minute recipe. Dump the udon noodles in there with some fresh sliced scallions as well.
About 3/4 of the scallion green.
I'm not gonna have that much. No, I think that would be too much. I'm a very subtle person. I'm gonna use a fork. Now, I remember when Fuchsia made this for me, I think there was a fair amount of slurping going on when you eat the noodles, you know, sort of like that. Well, this is really good. So you have fresh, you have cooked, you have sweet, you have sour, you have spicy, you have sort of bland. You have all those things going on in one dish, and it's all out of your pantry. I need to thank Fuchsia Dunlop. Thank you very much.